Are you ready to take control of your financial future? Fidelity Investments, a leader in the financial world, offers powerful tools and funds tailored for every type of investor. Today, we're breaking down the 5 best Fidelity funds that can grow your wealth, support your retirement, and generate consistent income. Plus, we'll explore their automatic investment options, low fees, and dividend reinvestment strategies to show you why Fidelity is a must-have in your portfolio. Stick around for expert insights that will supercharge your investing journey. Whether you're a beginner looking to start small or a seasoned investor aiming to optimize your portfolio, Fidelity Investments has something for everyone. With its wide range of mutual funds and ETFs, you can achieve goals like long-term growth, dividend income, or retirement savings, all while enjoying some of the lowest fees in the industry. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable insights into 5 top-performing Fidelity funds and how they can help you achieve financial independence. Let's dive in. Why Fidelity Investments? Fidelity is not just a name, it's a legacy. With over $4.3 trillion in assets under management, Fidelity is known for its innovative tools, comprehensive research, and investor-first approach. Low fees. Fidelity is famous for its low-cost funds, with expense ratios often below 0.1%. Automatic investing. Stay disciplined with recurring contributions that simplify wealth building. Dividend reinvestment plans. Let your dividends buy more shares automatically, accelerating compounding growth. Retirement solutions. Fidelity offers tailored IRAs that pair perfectly with its funds, ensuring a secure future. See, what are Fidelity funds? Fidelity offers mutual funds and ETFs that cater to various financial goals. Mutual funds are actively or passively managed, while Fidelity ETFs often track major indexes like the S&P 500 or NASDAQ. These funds provide diversification, exposure to hundreds of stocks or bonds, low costs, expense ratios often below the industry average, consistent performance, designed for long-term growth and stability. Fidelity makes it easy to stay consistent with your investing goals. With automatic investments, you can set up recurring contributions to your chosen funds. And the best part? Fidelity is known for its low fees. Most index funds, like FXAIX and FSKAX, have expense ratios as low as 0.015%, ensuring you keep more of your money invested. Fidelity's dividend reinvestment plan is a game changer. Instead of taking dividends as cash, they're automatically reinvested to purchase more shares. This strategy accelerates compounding and can significantly boost your portfolio value over time. Fidelity is a top choice for retirement investing. They offer IRAs that pair seamlessly with funds like FXAIX or FDGFX. These accounts provide tax advantages, helping you grow your wealth faster while preparing for a secure retirement. Top 5 Fidelity funds. Fidelity 500 Index Fund, FXAIX. The Fidelity 500 Index Fund, FXAIX, is a top-tier mutual fund managed by Fidelity Investments, designed to replicate the performance of the S&P 500 index. With net assets totaling $631.62 billion and an exceptionally low expense ratio of 0.01%, FXAIX offers one of the most cost-effective ways to invest in 500 of the largest U.S. companies. The fund's current price is $209.63, with a yield of 1.20%, making it a reliable option for income-focused and growth-oriented investors alike. The fund has a year-to-date return of 28.05%, showcasing its alignment with the S&P 500's robust performance. Assuming an annual growth rate of 15% based on its 5-year average return, a $100,000 investment in FXAIX could grow significantly over time. After 10 years, the investment could reach approximately $404,000. In 20 years, it could grow to $1,636,000, and in 30 years, it may surpass $2 million, $6,629,000. These projections emphasize the power of compounding in long-term investing. For dividend income, A $100,000 investment would generate $1,200 in the first year at the current yield. Assuming a dividend growth rate of 5% annually, the annual dividend payout could increase to about $1,950 after 10 years, $3,170 after 20 years, and $5,160 after 30 years. This growing dividend income, combined with the substantial appreciation of the principal, highlights the value of FXAIX for investors aiming for consistent growth and income over time. FXAIX's low-cost, diversification, and market-matching performance make it an excellent choice for long-term wealth building. It is particularly suitable for investors seeking to minimize expenses while maximizing returns in the U.S. large-cap equity market. Fidelity Total Market Index Fund, FSKAX. The Fidelity Total Market Index Fund, FSKAX, provides extensive exposure to the U.S. equity market, spanning large, mid, and small-cap companies. It currently manages net assets of $107.41 billion, making it a highly liquid and stable option for investors. With an exceptionally low expense ratio of 0.01%, this fund offers unmatched cost efficiency. The current yield is 1.13%, ensuring investors receive steady dividend income. FSKAX has a beta of 1.02, indicating it closely tracks the overall market's performance with slightly higher volatility. The fund's year-to-date return stands at an impressive 27.73%, reflecting strong growth potential over time. A $100,000 investment in FSKAX could achieve significant growth over different time horizons. Assuming an average annual growth rate of 12.84%, the investment could grow to approximately $334,000 in 10 years, $1,115,000 in 20 years, and $3,720,000 in 30 years. These projections demonstrate the power of compound growth in a diversified equity portfolio. In terms of dividends, a $100,000 investment would initially generate $1,130 in annual dividends based on the current yield. Assuming a conservative annual dividend growth rate of 5%, this income could rise to $1,840 after 10 years, $3,000 after 20 years, and $4,890 after 30 years. This growing dividend stream, combined with the appreciation of the principal, underscores FSKAX's appeal for long-term investors seeking both income and capital growth. The fund's allocation includes substantial positions in top-performing companies such as Apple, Microsoft, and Nvidia, which contribute to its robust performance and resilience in volatile markets. With its broad market exposure, low costs, and consistent returns, FSKAX remains an ideal choice for passive investors aiming for long-term wealth accumulation. Fidelity Dividend Growth Fund, FDGFX. The Fidelity Dividend Growth Fund, FDGFX, is a mutual fund tailored for investors seeking capital appreciation, with a focus on dividend-paying companies. With total net assets of $7.82 billion, the fund maintains a competitive expense ratio of 0.78%, making it a balanced choice between cost and performance. The fund's year-to-date return is an impressive 30.72%, underlining its strong performance in both growth and income-oriented investments. It has a beta of 0.88, reflecting slightly less volatility than the broader market, ideal for conservative growth strategies. The fund's holdings include significant allocations to leading companies such as Microsoft, 5.85% of assets, Nvidia, 7.01%, and Alphabet, 3.44%, reflecting its focus on high-quality, dividend-growing stocks. These companies have consistently delivered solid earnings growth, contributing to FDGFX's robust performance over time. The fund's current yield of 1.02% ensures a stable income stream for investors, further amplified by its dividend reinvestment strategy. Investing $100,000 in FDGFX, with an average annual growth rate of 10.54%, would see substantial growth. After 10 years, the investment could grow to approximately $200,000 to $72,000. Over 20 years, it could expand to $739,000, and by 30 years, it might reach $2,008,000, emphasizing the fund's capability for long-term wealth creation. In terms of dividends, an initial investment of $100,000 would generate $1,020 in annual income. Assuming a consistent dividend growth rate of 5%, this income would increase to approximately $1,660 after 10 years, $2,700 after 20 years, and $4,380 after 30 years, showcasing the compounding benefits of dividend growth. FDGFX's commitment to quality dividend-paying stocks, coupled with its disciplined investment approach and historical performance, makes it an excellent choice for investors targeting both income and long-term capital appreciation. Fidelity Growth Company Fund FDGRX. The Fidelity Growth Company Fund FDGRX focuses on high-growth companies, making it a prime choice for investors seeking long-term capital appreciation. With total net assets of $69.32 billion and a net expense ratio of 0.68%, the fund is positioned in the large growth Morningstar category. The fund's NAV is $45.39, with a turnover rate of 18%, reflecting a moderately active investment strategy. Its portfolio includes industry leaders such as NVIDIA Corporation, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Alphabet, which account for significant weightings and drive its performance. FDGRX has demonstrated an impressive compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 18.80%, which significantly outpaces market averages. Assuming this growth rate, a $100,000 investment would grow to approximately $554,000 in 10 years, $3,070,000 in 20 years, and $17 million in 30 years, showcasing its high growth potential. The fund does not focus on dividend payouts, evidenced by a current yield of 0% as earnings are reinvested into the fund for maximum capital growth. While dividends are not a key feature, FDGRX's focus on reinvesting profits into growth-oriented sectors like technology, healthcare, and communication services ensures steady appreciation. The fund's expense ratio, although higher than passive index funds, is justified by its active management and strong historical returns. Its 12-month price range of $30.98 to $43.71 highlights its volatility, which is characteristic of high-growth investments. With its balanced risk-reward profile, FDGRX remains a compelling option for investors with a high risk tolerance and a long-term investment horizon, aiming to capture exponential growth through innovative and market-leading companies. This fund's disciplined approach and historical performance underscore its position as a cornerstone for aggressive growth portfolios. Fidelity Zero Total Market Index Fund FZROX. The Fidelity Zero Total Market Index Fund FZROX is a compelling choice for investors seeking broad exposure to the entire U.S. equity market, spanning large, mid, and small cap stocks. With net assets of $25.75 billion and an expense ratio of 0.00%, this fund eliminates management fees, providing unmatched cost efficiency. The fund's yield stands at 1.06%, offering a steady income stream for its investors. Its beta of 1.02 indicates that it closely tracks the overall market with a slightly higher level of volatility. FZROX has achieved a year-to-date return of 27.74%, reflecting its alignment with the strong performance of the U.S. stock market. Assuming an annual growth rate of 13%, a $100,000 investment in FZROX could grow significantly over time. After 10 years, the investment could be worth approximately $339,000. Over 20 years, it could grow to about $1,148,000, and in 30 years, it may reach approximately $3,888,000. These calculations are based on the compound growth formula, emphasizing the potential for wealth accumulation through long-term investing. For dividend-focused investors, a $100,000 investment would generate $1,060 in dividend income in the first year, based on the current yield of 1.06%. Assuming a dividend growth rate of 5% annually, the income could rise to $1,730 after 10 years, $2,820 after 20 years, and approximately $4,590 after 30 years. These growing dividends, combined with the principal's appreciation, highlight FZROX's value for investors aiming for both growth and income. FZROX's combination of zero fees, broad market exposure, and reliable returns makes it an exceptional option for investors focused on cost efficiency and long-term wealth building. It is particularly well-suited for those looking to maximize their returns while minimizing expenses. Why choose Fidelity? So why choose Fidelity? The platform offers a wide variety of funds catering to different goals, low expense ratios that keep more money in your pocket, comprehensive tools for planning your financial future. Whether you're saving for retirement, seeking growth, or building a dividend-focused portfolio, Fidelity provides the resources you need to succeed. That wraps up our deep dive into Fidelity investments and their top funds. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Comment below and tell us, which Fidelity fund do you like best? Until next time, keep investing and stay financially savvy.